Guys, look pan these berry pan the tree. Yeah. Respect. But you can't see them pan the tree there. Look the guys. No for them, you know. Alright. Alright guys, good morning. I don't know if you see my time in my eye, because I eat, I wash my face, but that's it. So I eat one these berry. I don't make them well ripe, but they're ripe enough. So good. Morning guys, see you later. So guys, me can't believe how my face today. But anyhow, guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm having for my breakfast. I had my berry already, or nesberry, how they wanna call it. So now I'm gonna have 2 boiled egg and some fever grass. Alright. Oh god, look at my face. So this is what I'm having. My husband had his 2 already, and some fever grass tea. Alright guys, salt and pepper. I took most of the yellow out. So this is my breakfast. I'll come back later and show you what I'm gonna eat for lunch or brunch. Alright. So this video I'm gonna put together like what I eat in a day in Jamaica or something like that. Alright. The leftover ackee, and him fry a piece of breadfruit we left, guys, with olive oil. Oh my, so good. Pear, avocado, and I just like this bread. It's a whole wheat bread. And look there guys, we have some old like bread from few days, and I tell him I don't want it. Him pick off these 2 in my plate, so I have to taste it. I'm gonna eat the fresh bread. Alright. So this will be this is what I gonna eat today. Later on, I may make some porridge, but this is it for now. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my husband's dinner, our little Sunday dinner. Alright guys, yeah, rice and peas, curry chicken, avocado, and some vegetable. Alright guys, see you later. I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Taste it? It's good?
Good. Very good.
You're welcome. Alright guys, we're gonna share mine. Alright guys, these are mine. Just a tasty food. Oh my goodness. Hot. Avocado. Pear. Bye guys, see you later.